guys. Fenster is stuck. Fenster, come here. Fenster, no. He is stuck.
Hi. Can you send out
Over there.
a rescue? We have a stuck dog.
Fenster, come here. Fenster, come over here. It's okay, Wolfie. It's okay, we'll get brother. He's in the hole. Oh, he was over there. He's like, there's not a big enough opening. I don't know how he got under there. Can you please help? Fenster, come over here. No, Wolfie, no.
Get out. Gonna have to get him over here.
We can't. Why isn't he barking anymore? Oh, there he goes. Here he is over here now. Fenster. I can see him over here. Fenster. There he is. Come here, baby. Come on, Bobby. Oh. Oh. Come here, baby. Come here. No, over here, baby. Come here. You're safe. I got you.
He could have got out anytime he wanted to.
Wolfie's eye is bleeding. You die, you dirty dog! Oh! His are bleeding. He needs a bath. Fenster. Poor boy. Look at his beard. Ben, do you know who I am? Do you remember me? He's not looking.